Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Land Rover Defender bonnet. First, locate the bonnet release lever inside the cabin, usually on the driver's side near the footwell. Pull this lever firmly towards you until you hear a distinct click or pop, indicating the primary latch has disengaged. This initial step is crucial for accessing the secondary safety mechanism at the front of your vehicle. Once the primary latch is released, the bonnet will be slightly ajar. Proceed to the front of your Defender and carefully reach your hand under the leading edge of the bonnet. You will find the secondary safety latch, often a small lever or tab, usually near the center or slightly to the driver's side. Push or lift this latch to fully disengage the bonnet. With both latches released, you can now gently lift the bonnet. It might be a bit heavy, so lift steadily. Look for the prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the bonnet itself or within the engine bay. Unclip the prop rod and securely insert its end into the designated hole to keep the bonnet safely open while you work. To close the bonnet, first remove the prop rod from its support hole and clip it back into its storage position. Gently lower the bonnet until it is about 6 to 12 inches above the latch mechanism. Then, push down firmly on the front edge of the bonnet to ensure both latches engage securely with a satisfying thud. Always double-check that it is fully closed before driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.